Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Poco F7 Pro with metal middle frame premium glass back unified design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 2K AMOLED display, 6.67 inches, wide quad HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 89.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 526 ppi pixel density, 3200 nits peak brightness, Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm light fusion 800 sensor wide angle main camera with aperture 1.6 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 20 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle front-facing camera, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 60 fps on front camera. AI creativity assistant for camera features like AI image enhancement, AI Film, AI Erase Pro, AI Image Expansion. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS 2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex X4 plus 3 GHz, dual-core Cortex A720 plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex A720 plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.26 by 74.95 by 8.12 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams, and the color options, blue, silver, black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 90-watt wired hypercharge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, AI-driven assistant features like AI writing, AI speech recognition, AI interpreter, AI search, Google Gemini support, and Circle to search with Google, 3D dual channel Ice Loop 5400 square millimeters vapor chamber cooling system support, Super T1S Tuner Super Antenna Array Ultra communication support, IR Blaster for remote control support, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Poco F7 Pro has been priced for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at $499, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at $549. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Poco F7 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.